Welcome RidgeLife, I'm Tim, and today I am super excited to be able to unbox and review Logitech's C922 Pro HD webcam. Let's see what's inside the box. Before, I've been using my laptop's 720p webcam, and it's just not too good. So I'm really excited to get this full 1080p streaming webcam. Here we go. Here's the webcam. There you go. Looks so awesome. Set the camera down. Continue on in the box. We have a quick start instruction manual, warranty guide. The C922 also comes with 3 months free of XSplit services. Continuing on in the box, we've got, pull this out here. We have a tripod. The tripod here is metal, very, very sturdy. Legs extend out, has a metal, looks like aluminum swivel. Nice construction. Continuing on in the box, pull out the insides. That's all we have. Looking at our webcam itself, it has protective film on it. We'll go ahead and take all that off. The webcam has a feature where you can mount it, of course, to your laptop as well, to the top of it. And you open up this swivel, slide that like that, and you can see as you set it on top of your laptop, the laptop screen will go right in there and you can adjust it. This is rubberized to keep it firmly in place. Once you have it on your laptop, then you can swivel the camera for perfect alignment. To mount the camera to the tripod, just put the bracket on there, tighten your sides up, open your tripod legs, and now your camera is secure. The C922 is full 1080 HD at 30 frames per second, and you can use 720p at 60 frames per second if you're doing those high-speed gaming and you want to match up your video to your gaming speed. One of the differences between the C922 and others by Logitech is this one comes with a full HD glass on the lens. Instead of a mono microphone like most laptop webcams have, we have a stereo microphone, one on either side for really good crisp, clear sound. Now for field of view, it has 78 degrees, so you're going to get a very wide field of view. So when you've got partners in on your web stream, you'll be able to fit them both in without having to get the camera really far back. Well, let's go ahead and get our camera set up on our laptop and we'll compare the differences. There are a couple of free software packages from Logitech you can download. One is Logitech Camera Settings. It is really basic. It just shows you the camera and basic settings. Don't recommend that one. What I recommend is the Logitech Capture software. As Logitech Capture opens here, you can see the webcam just lit up. And this is a more advanced software package. Again, it's free from Logitech and will give you the ability to change all the settings of the camera. Here you go. You can see the video. And we have the C922 Pro Stream webcam selected, and you can adjust frame rate, zoom, autofocus, so many things. You can actually record video. You can take picture snapshots. You see your camera. It's a full functioning software. What I really want to show you is if you click over here to the left to the camera, you can see we have full HD. That's 1080p selected, and I can go up to 30 frames per second. If I click on 720p, give that a second to load up. What's going to do is going to reconfigure the camera for 720. Then you can see I can actually select 60 frames per second, which is great for gaming. Now, the web streaming I do, 30 frames per second is just fine. I prefer the 1080p. So I'll select HD. It's going to again reload the software, and I will select 30 frames per second, and we will be ready to record. Actually, at 30 frames per second. And again, there's so many different features. You can click on the wizard. The wizard, you can show the watermarks on, off, text overlay, scene effects, the filters, all of them kids love. You can see border colors, so many different features from this free software package. Now what we're going to do is record video from both our onboard webcam for our laptop and our CP922 Pro webcam. We're going to listen to the audio from the basic setup from our laptop and of course the stereo audio from the Logitech. I think you're going to see a huge difference in video quality and sound quality. Welcome back. We are recording now in 720p from our laptop's onboard webcam using its internal microphone. Again, it's 720p. I don't think you're going to see near the good resolution, clarity, and especially the sound quality coming from the mono microphone. Let's switch over to the Logitech now. We are in full 1080p with stereo microphone recording. Again, this is from our Logitech CP922 Pro HD streaming webcam. I am super excited to have this camera. I think you're really going to like it. It's very simple. You just plug and play, start up your streaming software, and it will record right out of the box. Now you can open up the capture software from Logitech and go to all those different settings, or use your streaming software settings, but right out of the box, this camera does a great job. Well, there you go. Logitech's C922 Pro HD streaming webcam. This thing is pretty awesome right out of the box. 1080p, you can do 720p at 60 frames per second. Again, just a really great webcam for all around use. For the money, I think this is a really good investment for your streaming capability. You can get something from Amazon, from China, but remember, Logitech is a brand you're used to. Wireless keyboards, your mouse for your laptop, all kinds of peripheral devices for your computer. Logitech's been doing it for a long time. I think you can trust this company. I hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing, setup, and review of our Logitech CP922 Pro HD Stream webcam. This thing's going to do wonders for my YouTube channel. I think my viewers are really going to like the clarity, the sound quality, much better than the onboard laptop webcam ever did. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to RidgeLife. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. We have tons more product reviews, and we have all kinds of other things going on here on RidgeLife. We're building a log home on the back of our property. We got chickens and bees and rabbits and tractors and fishing and hunting and trapping, all kinds of great country outdoor activities here on RidgeLife. So please hit the thumbs up for this video if you like what you saw. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes out on RidgeLife. So until next time, I hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife.